The goal of the Future Healthcare Leaders Summit is to help young people understand what they can do to be a doctor, a nurse, a social worker, or any other profession that helps save lives in the local community.
See, just basically expose them to the option of healthcare. A lot of our youth don't even realize that this is an option for them to do. So they can see people that look like them in the field, and they know that it was possible.
I think it's great for the high school students to get out and see other professions that they may have not known about. I think it's important for them to go out and meet some of the leaders in the healthcare field, because ultimately these are going to be some of the role models in their community.
This summit definitely provides great opportunities for young students, especially for me, never had a role model. Being part of events like these, these young people can see future physicians or like nurses and just different diversity of the healthcare field and be able to have a role model, which I think is very important for our young students.
When I became a doctor, I noticed that a lot of people would stare at me in the elevators. And finally somebody remarked one day back in 2012 and said, "Mommy, I've never seen a Black female doctor before." I couldn't believe that. I was amazed that they had not seen a Black female doctor. And I said, well, we're around. It's actually a good amount of us here in Akron. Maybe I should get us all together.
Currently, I'm a internal medicine resident at Summa Health, and event like this, even back then with Project Lead the Way, helped me see those opportunities and be able to be where I am today.
This summit has been tremendous for my students. Akron Public Schools have a diverse group of students from many countries, many cultural backgrounds, many languages, and to come to some place like this and see such a broad group of people. They say kids can only be what they see, and they're seeing all of that right here.
My goal is for them to have fun. The inspiration is that they'll be a little bit more open and they'll research how they can be a part of the healthcare space.
I like to get into see everything like in person and get to experience things, because it kind of made me want to shift my career a little bit more. I feel like it's very empowering to know that myself, I have a chance to be able to be in fields like this, and it's a really good experience.
My favorite part was the music, the hands-on, like nursing, and then the pig feet. Yep, the pig feet. I learned how to sew pig feet and stitch it up.
My favorite part today was when we were practicing blood draws on mannequins' hands and where we was popping them pimples. I feel like I'm stuck on being an ultrasound nurse, but in the future I could definitely see myself working in the hospitals and trying other things out.